I am not a professional math person. I am just an accounting student, so basically, this is out of my league. Hindi pa ako professional na ewan, isa lang ako mag-aaral na nag-aaral kung paano magbilang ng pera, kaya ambot. Don't judge mga judger! So now, our topic will be the conic section, circle. Circle, circle. So, agenda, what we'll be going to discuss today is, first, what's in the circle, the equations, and the graphing. Equations, of course, na siya yung mga examples later. So, graphing, so, first of all, you have to remember that everything in here, in the conic section, ang circle, parabola, hyperbola, nahitabo na siya tanan sa Cartesian plane. So, circles, unsay naa sa circle? So, circle, obviously, circle, and then, center kanang center niya to nga. Then, ang point ana is H and K. So, don't forget. And then, we have the diameter. So, diameter, muna siya ang tunga sa circle, half equally diameter. And ang tunga sa diameter is what we call the radius. So, radius. So, biskan asa na siya, it could be diri, pataas, or here, or nga na, like that. And then, kanang point na kani, ambot si tawagan na, but mailhan na nato siya kay tungod sa problem makabutan dito kay passing through. So, passing through point curva x. So, passing through curva x at point curva x. So, ang ihang value ana is x and y. So, here, there are two equations nga dapat nato i-remember. So, ako ani kay i-take note na lang nako diha. So, the general form and the standard form. So, the general form, ax squared plus by squared plus cx plus dy plus e curva x. And the standard form, so, kaning standard form, magani siya perminti gamiton. So, ang general form, magamit siya if i-ask a problem, but mostly magud ginapangutanan sa mga questions sa exams is the standard form. So, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. So, let's go for the example. So, first is, this is a basic. Find the equation given that center is at -3, -5, and diameter equals to 8. So, as I said before, the radius is equal to the half of the diameter. So, dapat i-divide pa natin ang diameter. So, 8 divided by 2. So, the radius is equal to 4. So, how come kanang h ug k nganong ingana na siya? So, like I said earlier, so, the center is represented by h and k. So, ang h is equal to the first number, the x, which is kanang -3 muna siya, kani here. H is equal to -3. H, the first number is the h, and the second is the k. So, k is equal to -5. So, basically, more na yung needed para ma-transform na to ang para ma-transform na to ang standard form sa children of God. So, next here, we just have to follow the formula, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. And then, kopyaho na gud siya tanan. So, here, x minus -3, here, -3, which is the h squared plus y minus ang k, which is the -5 squared is equal to r is equal to 4, so 4 squared. So, kopyahon na gina siya tanan, is substitute ra gina tanan. So, easy ra siya. The next is we have here. So, x negative times negative is equal to +3 here, so squared, plus y negative times negative is +5 squared, and 4 squared is equal to 16. So, the equation, the standard form for this problem will be x plus 3 squared plus x plus 5 squared is equal to 16. So, more na siya ang answer. So, basic. Next is we have here the what if wala ang radius and the given is just the passing through, katong yung nakuganihan nga passing through here. So, kani passing through the x and y. So, h, the center is still h and k. H is equal to -3 and k is equal to -5. So, here, the passing through, abot si tawag ana. Kung nailan na passing through. Sorry, I'm not a professional math person, duh. And then, x and y here. So, x is equal to 7 and y is equal to negative 1. So, as I said earlier, we just have first to do is to follow the formula. So, x minus h, churba, x, and then here, substitute. So, x is equal to 7 minus h, negative 3, squared, plus y is equal to negative 1 minus negative 5, the k squared is equal to r squared. So here, pangitaon na to siyang r squared. So, importante kinang r squared. Ang circle of r squared ang pinaka-importante. Kung walay r squared, pangitaon na nato siya. So here, just follow the given here. Kaning substitute nato. So next will be 7, carry down 7. Negative times negative is positive 3 squared plus negative 1 negative times negative is positive 5 squared is equal to r squared. And then next will be 7 plus 3 is 10 squared plus negative 1 plus 5 is 4 squared is equal to r squared. So, pwede rin ninyo i-post, i-pass-pass na kaayo, i-calculate ninyo. Ayun yung pag advice is, ayun ninyo pa gamit o ganang mind calculation sharing. Okay, not all bright. So, ako ana, kay mag-calculate ko. So, i-post ninyo, i-pass-pass na kaayo. So, i-calculate. So, kani siya. So, now, 10 squared will be equal to 100. 4 squared, 4 times 4 is equal to 16. So, i-calculate na lang na ninyo diha is equal to r squared. So, 100 plus 16 obviously is 116 r squared. So, kanira siya itong kinahanglan. Kaya ngipangita nato sa formula is r squared. So, no need na siya nga i-square root pa nato. Pero kung i-square root niyo, ang answer na is 10.77. Pero, kanina may needed para i-substitute sa r squared lahos. So, here, follow ro gyapon, x minus kani, negative 3 squared plus y minus sa k, negative 5 squared is equal to 116. So, negative times negative is positive 3 squared plus y plus here negative times negative is positive. So, carry out 5 squared is equal to 116. So, mo na siya ang equation ninyo. Ang equation, dili na siya kinahanglan i-substitute ang x o y. Ang h o k ra gyud na siya kinahanglan i-substitute. So, be mindful. Huwag na siya gamit ang kanang passing through sa equation. Gamit rin ang passing through sa equation if wala ang r. Pero kung given ang r, wala na siya gamit sa equation. Para na siya for the purpose of finding r. Kinsa man na si r. Next is let's go to graphing. So, graphing. Next is graphing. So, here. So, sa graphing, gamit na kayo si passing through. Si radius sa sayo ay gamit. So, ano siya? Ang needed sa graphing is the center and the passing through point. So, first is the center. Let's locate first the center. Negative 3 is here. Negative 3 and negative 5. Negative 3 is in the x-axis kani the horizontal higda horizontal negative 3 and the y is negative 5, the vertical line, the varrogue line here. So that is the center of the circle. So that is the center of the circle. Next will be, let's find the passing through. So, next is here, the 7 at negative 1. So, muna siya. Ihang point, 7 and negative 1. And then, next is circle. So, muna siya. Dapat, ang kaning center, nagi sa center niya. And then, this one is the radius. The line connecting the center and the passing through. So, muna siya ang graph. And don't forget to write the equation, of course. So, done! Yay! So, thank you so much, guys. Ding, 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 ding.